So, good morning, everybody, for October the 20th, 2023. I'm going to go through really fast what we're up to today. Sound good? First one, Rolly, you're working on design there, correct?
Yeah.
You've advanced from very basic to more advanced to integrating in with Google. You're able to now do real-time data integration so you can do messaging from Google Sheets over to your digital sign, correct? Mm-hmm. Well done. Okay, so let's talk about the stuff in the pipeline. We got a new lead from Jorge based out of Florida. It's a 100+ location pizza restaurant. So we got to follow up with him and get him the tools he needs because he's going into that meeting with the franchise. Okay. We're going to get back into the daily call with the LED trucks in Las Vegas. They're fully ready to light up the first one with Samstick. So we just need to give them a little bit of nudging, and you now know, RV, how to get the content out of the ad exchange, right?
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to get some of that content out of the ad exchange. So we're going to test the programmatic advertising on the LED trucks in Las Vegas today. That means we should also get a hold of our Las Vegas distributor. We need him in a call today. Okay, Shane? You're going to hound him, say, it's really important, go on to the call. We're testing out the billboards today. Okay? We need to follow up again with the university because we're going to show them the training they're going to be going through, Rolly, which is the same as your training has been. Okay. We're also going to test the emergency notification. We're going to make sure the screens across the whole campus kick over, and we're going to show them how that works because we need to integrate in with their existing emergency notification system. Okay. So Shane, that's on you. Okay. Hockey team. Yeah. It's also on you to get them into a call with us because they paid their service level agreement. Okay. They've already approved the quote that has been sent off to them, and we just need to get the equipment off the ground from Shenzhen over to them ASAP. We want to see that thing lit up because that's super exciting to be able to have outdoor bright LED signage that hockey teams can thank their sponsors, and we can help them get programmatic advertising revenue. We want to get money to the hockey teams, get them lit up, get the whole network running. So we have a major distributor in Canada that we're already approved for distribution through them. It's on me to do that paperwork here. I got to reach back to them and get them into a conference call with us as well. So I'm working on that today. Okay. Yep. The LED trucks in Las Vegas, the demo ad content. So it's not just about getting the Sam sticks. As I mentioned, Harvey, you're going to get some of those ads up. And we want to do a shout out to Toyo Tire. Okay.
Yep. Don't
forget to put their ad into the list. I'll show you how in the next couple of hours. You're going to work on the Shopify so that the product's actually available, right? Complete package, bundled solution, and everybody need to understand this is intended to take something that's very complex and make it simple. Just order and receive 3 feet high by 3 feet wide, exactly what we're doing on the back of the truck there with Cole, right? As a complete package that you could put on the side of a building. Anybody that can learn how to play with Lego or follow IKEA instructions can now have an outdoor bright square to start, and then what they do is they upgrade. So they grab a few more, okay? Boxes. So the boxes, what's great about this is we can get it on the plane, some of the materials and supplies, rush delivered overnight, right? That's exciting. Okay. Then once they're used to a square, then they graduate to larger. Speaking of which, it's not in the slides here, but I got to follow up with that company in California for the side of their building. They're just making it a little difficult to onboard us as a supplier. They really want the product, but they've given like 5 different pages of documents for us to fill out to become a supplier, right? Okay, so I'm going to work on that. Shane, I'm going to have you go through the Slack channels and help me clear up all of the deal backlog. It's basically anybody that's been kind of on the fence or, gee, I don't know. We're at full capacity now, right? We have to clean up that deal backlog and just give everybody a firm stop date. Make sense? I'll put the email together to craft for you, but it's basically going to say, hey, you'd had interest in the past, you'd asked a few questions, we haven't heard back from you for a while. If there's any outstanding quote stuff like that, please get back to us whether you're interested or not. Otherwise, we're going to close, your inquiry. Just like how we cleaned up all the tickets here in the last month to get ready. Okay. We're going to clean up all of the deals in the CRM as well. The last one is Bahamas. We need to get Christian from the Bahamas back into a training call again, because we want him to see some of these more advanced features, like what you have just been trained on, Rolly, in advance of rolling out into the airports. Okay. Last one, Lord over there in the Philippines. Can we get him into the next summary call? Because I need to talk to him about press release.
Yep.
Cool. Okay. Because we're going to do press release here. I want to get him for press release over there as well, so people understand what we finished building. Okay.
Yep.
Thank you. There's the summary for the day. Let's rock.